Hi, it's Clay. We're coming to you from the Chess Den in Marlow. We're getting ready for game 2 of the Sluggo versus Cosmic Microwave French match. We'll be playing games of 5 minutes plus 5-second increments, and every game's going to be a French defense. So we're going to sit there and learn on it and see what happens. So far the score is 1-0 for Cosmic Microwave, which is me. Let me do this again. Rematch offer is sent. Create a game. Try it again. 5. Not sure what he did here. Play with a friend. Sluggo. There we go. Alright. There is a challenge out there. 5-5 rated. Bring it on, Tony. Here we go. Challenge is accepted. Now I'm back to playing black again. Okay. Well, that's what it is. So, see if he's got something better going. And now he's going to cry about me being black again. Come on, let's go. Okay. F4 is going to something different. What does he have now? The F4 against this. So, this is sometimes a gambit line. If you play B5, they go to a gambit. Let's see here. Takes here, there. Yeah, let's go for it. Am I afraid of a gambit line? B4 is the gambit that a lot of people play. I guess Tony doesn't know that one yet. So we'll start just regular old stuff here. Don't think this is too theoretical here. Now, question is, where am I going to want to put my king? I'm a queenside castler a lot of times in the French, so I don't know how. Uh-oh. Now he's really going into the unusual here. Really going into the unusual. He thinks that's going to get him something special here. Well, let's see here. What is he going to do with that? Is he going to play a d4? Probably not going to play a d4 combined with a bishop to b2. That looks just not right. I'm going to have to say that I'm going to play a waiting move. I want to see what he does here. So we're going to play bishop to d7, sort of a waiting move to see where he wants to go with this. It's always pretty much a useful move here. I want Tony to declare himself here. I want to get a little bit more of an idea what he's up to. Is he going to play d4? Is he going to play bishop a3, bishop to b2? Is he going to play d4? Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Yeah, this is not right. This needs to be punished. Just needs to get punished. I'm thinking queen to a5, right? Because then this if I play queen to a5, this d pawn is going to be pinned. And I'm going to be attacking the bishop, which is going to stop that thing from moving. He doesn't want to play c3, right? Queen to a5 can't be a bad move, right? I can castle queenside on the next move. Knight to g5 is going to be met by knight to h6. I might even play b5 right away. Yep. I think this is going to cause some awkwardness here. What's he going to do? Queen to e2? Queen e2 to b5. Still runs into queen takes b5, bishop takes b5, knight takes e5, winning a pawn. So I'm not particularly afraid of that. Plus that queen on e2 is going to clog up that bishop right there. I think he's just getting too fancy for his own good here. Oh dear, now he's getting even more fancy. Alright, well, he's still going to have some problems developing here. I'm not sure what the heck he's up to. What if I just go b5 right now? That's good. That could be like embarrassing for him. How is he going to develop here? Yeah, this is going to be a problem for him. Is he going to go knight to c3 right now? Still can't go d4. I'm thinking knight to I either have knight to h6 or b5. Let's go b5. This just looks like the refutation line here. Queen's off of the protection of d4, so that's starting to look awkward. Yeah, this opening must be punished. Must be punished. No way you're going to get away with this. My pieces are all going to come to play here. And his are just wandering around aimlessly here. This is not how you play against the French defense. Yep. This could get ugly. You may want to cover your eyes. And let's see now. His problem, knight to c3 is no good. Oh, bishop to e2 is going to take the slow route here. So, I can play b4, push him back right away, but that's not even really necessary. I think I can make a good developing move here. Knight h6. Keep making good developing moves until I run out of them. He plays h3. I got knight to f5, and I'm coming in on g3. So that's all good. b4 is still in the offing here. I don't have to play it right now, but it's stopping him from playing knight to c3, stopping him from playing queen to b2. He can just say uncle and go right back over there. Okay. Now a little bishop e7. I'm continuing to develop, and he's going to have problems there somehow or another. What's he going to do? He's going to have to play d3 now, I guess. d3 opens up his own set of holes. This knight's coming into f5, maybe d4, maybe g3. I got hippity hoppity hoppity hoppity. Look at this knight. Look at that knight. Oh boy. He's got ideas. That knight's got some ideas. So what's he got? d3 to try and develop, right? I'm still castling. Then he gets knight to d2. Big whoopie-doo. What's that going to do? Then I come knight to f5, and I'm certainly coming in on e3 too. Oh, Tony. I hope this isn't your regular repertoire against the French defense, Tony. Let's see, what can he do? No, d3? He's down to increments now. Getting there, under 30 seconds. Oh, there goes d4. Okay. So, Now, I would think I would want to go b4 right now, because I don't want to let him trade off that dark squared bishop, correct? I want to put some pressure on that. Pressure, yeah. Now is a good time for b4. Okay. Now would be a good time to pressure that. Alrighty now. Guess we can go there. I got no problem with that. Now, do I want to move the knight anywhere or just castles? What's he going to do? c4? Is that a reasonable move for him? Let's see. What about rook to c1? Just putting that rook on the same diagonal as that pawn, that queen. Yeah, that looks reasonable. Let's just see what he does there. Let's make him think twice about where he's going to put his things here. Where are you going to put your junk there, Tony? Ah, okay, he wants to open that up. Let's see. Do I want to let him open that up? I think it's time for this. Oh dear. This ain't gonna happen. Alright, so now take. Let's see, if I take there, I got a knight to b4, starting to look very strong there. Oh. Let's see, there's guarded once, twice. I'm just going to keep that guy there for the meantime. Okay, he decides he's going to shut that off, huh? Alright, so... Oh boy, increments, here we go. What's that about? I don't know. I ain't afraid of that at all. Here we go. Let me see here. Let's secure our position here. Okay. Secure that. That's a little tickle. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, I'm coming back. Maybe double my rooks on that thing there. Where's he coming with that? He wants to come knight to d3 to get rid of that bishop, doesn't he? It's not going to happen. No. Okay, d4 is a little underprotected. Still got to keep an eye on that square. That's going to be my big long-term threat there. I think it's about time I think about doubling. Okay, so double the rooks. Where's that going? I don't care. Okay, to there, to there, to there, to there. Now it's time to bust into here. Take that one. It's okay. Don't care about that check. I'm coming in on C2. Okay. There. Check. I don't think he's got a mate there. Don't think he's got a mate there. Let's see now. I'm coming back though. I don't want that queen h4. Thank you very much. No siree, bobbery. Oh no! Yep. All right. Uh-oh. That could be a problem. Shit. Let's see here. All right. Come back. It's got that. Come in there. Okay, what's he got? What's he got? What's he got? I got a check there. I got a check there. Let's see here. Got this here. Could go here. Threaten rook takes b3. Looks like that. Okay, I got rook takes b3. I think I do. Rook takes b3. I should put a hurt on him. Still only makes me equal here. Alright. Now he just wants that, wants that. Now do I want to go here or knight to there? Let's see. Where's he coming with that knight? Let's bring this back. Okay. Let him think about a little bit of a discovery. There isn't one. B3 is going to be a good move now. B3. Okay, here, there. Still no discovery for you. Still no discovery for you. Pawns are coming in, baby. Let's see here. Rook. Do I have a pawn push? Pawn push, pawn push, pawn push. Not yet. Not yet. Oh no! What did I do? Oh no! Shit. What did I do? How did I mess that up? Holy camole. How did I mess that up? I was totally winning that. Oh my god. Oh well, 1-1. Oh, that was a complete domination. Somehow I messed that up. What did I do? This position here. He's attacking. Oh my god, yes, he's attacking my rook. I totally missed that. So what do I go there? Oh, that was terrible. That was just terrible. Oh well. 1-1. Terrible blunder here. I'm just queening a pawn here somehow or another. Oh well, 1-1. Oh, darn it. Darn it, darn it, darn it, darn it. Well, on to the next game.